I need to remove the bulb in here for the main headlights, being this bulb here, the H7. First things first, obviously I've got to remove these screws holding on the headlights. The headlights held on by a T30 torque screw. Right, to get the headlight off, we've got to undo the headlight is sitting on some brackets. To get it off, you push it from the back of the headlight. So go ahead and remove this rubber cover. And then if you look, there is the light bulb. So to take it off, you just want to go anti-clockwise to unclip it from its clip. It's holding it in there. And when we're replacing the bulb, you do not want to touch this with your fingers at all, because that would damage it. Now, so to get it off, you simply need to get the flat head on that side. So yeah, we don't want to get it off, you just pry it up like that with the flat head. If we look at the connector, you've got these little pins there that this basically sits on top of. That's what holds it down. So you guys can see I'm pulling it out from this direction and keep this on. So this is the new bulb, and as you can see, you've got this cover. So I'm simply just gonna grab it, and then I'm just gonna push it down like that from the sides. Now I've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and remove the foam. I'm not going to, even though if I do touch it, it's alright, I've got the gloves, but I'm not going to anyway. Put that down for a second. I'm going to be gentle to put it in. That clip there has to be slightly near that little bolt at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in like that. Right, and then now if you look, that clip there is now on that side of that little nut. That one on the other side is now on the other side. So if you twist it clockwise again, because to take it out you twist it anti-clockwise, boom, that's now stuck in there. Simple as that. Get the rubber back on. So the fog lights are on, headlights are on,